Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut. It's Inspiration Week, and this is today's Tàijíquán Tip. So today's Tàijíquán Tip is to open yourself to some wuxia, perhaps in the form of anime, perhaps in the form of a novel, perhaps in the form of a movie, or perhaps a TV series. And, wuxia means martial hero. That'd be a fair translation of it. And it generally will suggest some sort of superhuman capabilities or superhuman capabilities. And while I'm not here recommending that you, ignore safety and do not try this at home sort of warnings, I would invite you to watch it, read it, take it in, review it, remember it, become re-inspired by it, and see if you can take that inspiration to the edge of your practice or into your practice, some part of or the entirety of your practice. It doesn't mean that you're going to do those moves. And it doesn't mean you're going to fly in the air. It doesn't mean even that you're going to set up a green screen. It just means that you're going to purposely and pointedly inspire or re-inspire yourself through these wuxia. So while they may not be things that can be done or that you can develop inspiration from them. And that is a fantastically wonderful thing. So welcome to Inspiration Week. Please inspire me with your donations and with your referrals and your continued commitment to practice. Thank you. Love.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán Tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.